Hi, welcome to Sweet and Savory Gluten Free. My name is Chow. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you've been to my channel before, thank you for coming back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a French onion soup. I love the soup because it uses simple and affordable ingredients, mostly onions, to make it an amazing soup. Let's get started. Soak and rinse 2 pounds of beef bones with about 12 cups of water. Add 1 knob of sliced ginger and 1 whole star anise. Bring the broth to a boil and take a couple of minutes to skim off the fat on the top. When you are done, close the lid and let it simmer for 8 hours. I started my broth before bed and this is what it looks like in the morning. Now for the toast, I brush a layer of olive oil on each side and sprinkle with salt. They may look more than you need for one meal, but I promise they will go fast. Now for the onion base, I used 5 onions, 2 bay leaves, and a small bunch of thyme. I thinly slice all 5 onions. The volume is going to be quite large, but don't worry, it's going to simmer down in an hour and a half you cook. Once you add the onions, lightly toss them and add 2 tablespoons of salt. After a couple of minutes, add the herbs. Cook on low or medium heat until they're completely caramelized. When your onion's ready, add a couple tablespoons of gluten-free flour, brandy, Worcester sauce, tomato paste. Stir to combine. And now add 8 cups of broth. Bring to a boil. Fish out the herbs. And it's done. Now you have this perfect French onion soup, crunchy on the outside and cheesy and savory on the inside. Hope you enjoyed it, my friend, and thank you for watching.